Mabett provided me with these, about a year ago, and they are still on the car. And they've lasted the whole winter here in Boston. And if you know anything about Boston roads, they're terrible. So for them to last the entire season without any deformation, without any problems, is amazing. One of the things that really impresses me about these mud flaps is the fact that they are pliable, but they're not cheap. They're super well made. They get this really cool fluting in here, which I really like that. And you just put this on with your existing tools that you already have there. So the body panels are right there. So pop that out, and this one right here, and it comes right off. And I showed you that video a minute ago. So hopefully you'll be able to take care of that. And look, if you want to know how to install them properly, just go right back to the video. So we're going to use this 9/32 small wrench right here and loosen this up. And this one comes out just like this. And of course, be careful. It's a brand new truck. We don't want to go ripping at it. And next one is the same thing. And then it just becomes finger tight, or finger untight from there, if you will. And then this piece comes in handy. This is a body clip piece. So you take the body clip and click inside here first. So you see that right there? And then you come in behind here, and this little piece pops right out. Again, you do the same thing with the body clip up here. You could rotate it too, so it faces you, so it's easier. Pop this in, and there it is. Now, all we're going to do is already put the protective coating on so it doesn't wreck the paint, and this fits in right here, just like that. Nice and tight up against the car. And you put that one inside that hole. Put this one inside this hole right here. And now all you have to do is take these little screws. They're plastic. Take it and apply some force. You hear that little crinkling right there? That right there means that it has been installed correctly.